Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. You have to start by open Huawei AI Life application. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then scroll down and go to tip fit test. Firstly, click at the second line tip type and select which one you use. So right here in the box we have information about it. As you can see, I use memory foam tips, but if you use the silicone one, you just tap at the silicone tips. But let's return. After that you go back and now we can perform ear tip fit test. Put your earbuds to your ears. Then click ear tip fit test, click start and don't speak, just wait until this test finished. And then we will see a feedback. So start, continue, and now we have the feedback. So you can repeat this test by click test again or click done to finish, but then you can anytime return to this setting and you can also change again your tip and start this test again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!